Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I have my April How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. Now I did a poll over on the YouTube community tab, and if you guys don't know where that is, if you visit my channel there'll be some tabs at the top that say like uploads, about, and there's also one that says community, and I post polls there about what you guys want to see next on my channel, and including about my kits for How to Kill a Kit with Style. Now the top two were random old supplies, and the other one was pastels. So I kind of combined that. I got some random old supplies, a couple new things, because you know you need to bring in some new stuff so you feel more excited to use your stuff. And I also went down the pastel route. But another thing I did this month is I went crazy with 6x6 papers. I want these to dictate the pages and the color schemes rather than the other stuff, if that makes sense. So they're not all going to be pastel layouts, because most of these do have pastels in them, but if I were to take just purple and run with it, it will come out completely different than if I did like the baby pink and the baby blue and stuff like that. So let's dive into the 6x6s first, because that's sort of what I pulled out to kind of, get using these. I have a lot. So first off, we have the Pebbles Yours Truly paper pad. I've used this a bunch before, but there's still a bunch left. And this one's not super pastel. There's some pastel blue and pastel pink, but there's also a lot of brighter colors. So I included this one in case I want to do any Valentine's Day pages, just a couple months late. But the pastels that are in here, I didn't have anywhere else, so I figured if I don't include it, I'll be mad I didn't. But like I said, the 6x6s will be driving the designs. This is a really old one, and by really old I mean 2012. That's pretty good. This one, 2013. Not too bad as old-wise. This is Kathy Davis's Journeys collection, just the purple one. I do have the blue and green one as well. Very difficult to flip through though. I have a lot of scraps in here. But this one's been really hard for me to use because I don't use purple a lot, so I figured now is the best time as any to try to use it. This one's Prima's Hello Pastel paper pad, and this is from 2013 as well. So we're getting some older stuff here. Very pastel, very cute. I love that there's grays in here. This one reminds me of Easter, which is also kind of why I pulled it out. The Pebbles Garden Party. This one is from 2013, and this one I'd love to finish. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full sheets left, and then I have a lot of scraps in the front here, so if we could finish this one, that would be prime deal right there. But I think this will be like my main motivation. This one's going to be finished this month. Mark my words, people. This one's going to be gone. This one I haven't worked with much either, and this is the DCWV Embossed White, and I've had this for a few years, and it says 2016, so I've had it, I think I got it in 2016. But I thought just having the nice white with some texture would be nice since I don't have my Cuttlebug here yet. So you have the chevron, the florals, and I used this on a recent layout for my Patreon live stream. So I thought I'd bring it back, and I could do some ink blending over this to make it superb, or some watercoloring. So different designs there. But if you guys are interested in joining my Patreon, I'll have that link down below. I do extra content there for those who want to support me in another fashion. This is a really, really old Kane Company matte pad from, doesn't say on here. I want to say this is 2012 era as well, but it's just plain colors. Now this is not pastel, but it's really old. So here's random old stuff right here, guys. I used all the pastels already out of it. So we'll see if that gets used. Then I have two more different size paper pads. This one's the 3.875 by 3.875 DCWV adhesive matte stack. Now I don't have my die cutting machine here, but I thought this would be good for punches, to have pre-adhesive pieces, and this is all pastels. So I included that. We'll see if I use it. Again, I got this the same time as the other one, so I assume 2016. And then lastly, I have this DCWV Sweet Stack. Now again, not super all pastel, but a lot of pastel. And this is very birthday, food, flower theme. Again, very difficult to flip through, but there's a lot of glitter and stuff. And I bought this in Canada quite a few years ago. So it's about time I tried to use it up. So those are what started this mess. And then I went to 12 by 12s after I picked out these, but that's all the way down here, so we're gonna wait on that. We'll do that last. I also pulled out my tool. I use these a lot more on cards than I do on my scrapbook pages, but I thought it's about time I did a tool shaker page. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know. I've done tool shaker cards, but never a tool shaker page. So we'll see if we can do that. And this is just like a roll from Joann's. Get it with your coupon, and it's pretty inexpensive. 2 mixed media items. I have my Distress Paint and Spun Sugar. I want to do some more paint stuff. And then the Heidi Swap Color Shine and Ocean. I might bring some other ones here next time I move my stuff, but we'll see. I have a light blue and white twine. And then this is a new item in my stash. I got this a Tuesday morning a couple months ago, but I still haven't used it. And it's the Simple Stories Carpe Diem I Am, I think is the collection it's from. But it says things like, so happy, my own, beautiful enough, so very blessed, amazing, I am, important, grateful, strong. These are very difficult to read. Some dreaming big, loved and adored, simply me. So that's what's on there. I thought those were cute for a lot of different topics, most likely. Then we'll hop over here. I have 2 sticker books. These are like the main embellishment points I brought. Again, these are pretty new to my stash, so sorry I'm not going super old school. But these are the Maggie Holmes and the Jen Hadfield sticker sets. Very pastel, very cute. I gotta include these guys. They're just so much fun to work with. So these are actually from 2017. I'll count that as a win. That's 2 years old. 2 stamp sets. Really old. This one's an old Amy Tan one that I won in a giveaway. I've only used the feather one, so we can use that. And then this one is the Wild Whisper Home, No Place Like Home stamp set. And this is from their 2017 lines. So this is one of the first items I got in my design team package when I did work for Wild Whisper. And as per new YouTube rules, I am not paid to talk about this product. It was just given to me to use as I wish. So that was given to me for free, just so it's out there. These are some really, really, really old Target Puffy stickers. I was asked about these a lot when I used them the first time as to where I got them, but I'd say these are at least, I had these in college, so maybe 3 or 4 years old. Love to use these up. I don't know if I have any popsicle pictures printed, so this one might have to wait, but I think I could use these up pretty easily. More Puffy stickers, guys. Puffy stickers are just my jam. These are some Recollections heart stickers. Again, I've had these for like 2 years. And there's no date on them. And they're falling off, so we should probably use some of these. Recollections Cat Stickers. I use these on all my cat pages. I think they're adorable. Again, I've had them probably for at least 2 years. I think I bought these when I was still in school, so probably longer. These are the Pink Fresh Studio Dream On Puffy stickers. I anticipate that there'll be more Pink Fresh Studio grab boxes coming very soon. Don't quote me on that though. But I'm on their email list so I can find out when they do announce them. So these are from 2017, and I'm trying to use up more of my Pink Fresh Studio stash so I can get more. And I love their grab boxes. So I pulled these out. Again, very pastel colors, but also some brighter ones. We'll see how it goes. This is the Fancy Pants Goodfellas alphabet, one of my favorite alphabets from Fancy Pants as of recently. This is from 2016. I'd like to use some of these numbers up, but there are getting some sparse letters here. But we have all the A's still. That's like a miracle. So we can still spell a ton. Dear Lizzie Thickers, these are the Darling Details phrase and accents. Again, pastel, I brought it out. I don't have many sticker or thicker sets that are like the pieces like this. So this is the only pastel one I had, so I thought I'd bring it in. Cute. I want to use up these things. These are newer thickers. I got these from a clip kit, but these Amy Tan ones, man, I've had these forever. Where are they from? 2014. I need to use up these. That's all there is to it. And then these ones are new ones. I just thought they kind of matched in the gold shade, so I figured that I could make titles with them together. Okay, and then I also have this gold embroidery floss cord stuff from my friend Daisy sent it to me, so I wanted to include that because I have the gold up here. She also sent me these gold heart stickers with this cat magnet, and I'd like to use both the cat magnet and the heart stickers. Hopefully soon. But they're very cute. These are some older Paper House Studio Colorways Puffy stickers. I've had these bouncing around from different kits. And if you guys think I'm using the same stuff over and over again, it's probably because I am. Like these, the Reset Girl stickers. These were in my last kit, I think. No, not my Disney kit. The kit before that. So my February kit. These were in there. These are from 2016. I really like the colored ones, and then the grayish silver ones will come in handy as well for that neutral bit. This I also used in February. All of the ones that are missing were from February, except this one. I used this one in March. But I thought this would be good, again, for the pastel. Like, that's perfect. And I love using chipboards. So this is Simple Stories balloon. It was probably on the packaging that I already used to make shaker pockets. So before we get to the paper, I'm going to finish up over here first. The Jelly Bean Soup You Make Me So Happy ephemera pack. I'll just show you guys this up close. Really, really cute. Like rainbow pastels, covers all of them. And they're not super pastel. They're still like a bright pastel, which I think will go better with these 12x12 papers. And then these Studio Calico stars. These are chipboard stars. These were sent to me as a giveaway I went on Instagram from a lovely lady. And these are from 2013. Brand new to me, but old in general. So I think I can use the baby pink ones. Some random stuff. I have a Paper Issues tag. Again, this is a little bit more neon pastel, but I dig it. And then a bunch of random embellishments from my stash. We are memory keepers. These are from Click Kits, but I think they're Paige Evans. Studio Calico pieces, American Crafts, Dear Lizzie Project Life. And most of these are Jelly Bean Soup. This one is Bella Boulevard. This one's Jelly Bean Soup as well, so... But I'll talk about those more when I actually use them on the layouts in case you want to know where exactly one is from. Now we have the Paper Studio Dream On collection, again 2017, and I'm just going to let you guys look at the patterns that are here because if I take them out it's very loud. Now I do have all of these, at least one of all of these patterns still, and obviously not super pastel. Now some have this baby pink, and there's also a mint color which I think works well, but overall not very pastel. So, for example, if I use this circle paper, which is generally neutral, just gray circles on a white background, I could use any of the 6x6 paper pads to build off that and make my own color scheme, which is sort of where that random part comes in, like you guys voted on in the poll. But that's my kit. Again, random stuff. I don't think it really, you know, is cohesive by any means. I have a ton of paper pads, one actual alphabet. I'll probably have to find something else to use too. But we got some puppy stickers, some stamp sets. I thought these would be fun. And there's always the florals I can use for something that's a little bit more neutral. My sticker books, again, I didn't bring in many embellishments because I have these puppies. Hopefully these serve me well. And then I also have all of the paper pads. And hopefully those serve me well too. But that is it for my April kit share. Be sure to check out all of the ladies down below who are sharing their kits today and tomorrow. Some of them upload on different days, but definitely check out everyone down below so you guys don't miss out on all the inspiration. There's a lot of spring kits this month, but you'll find some other stuff in there too, some hidden surprises if you're interested. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are excited for April to see what we make with all of this, and I hope you guys had a great March crafting away. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!